When Solidigm started, we committed investing over $100 million in the region and on our SAC campus here. And it is amazing to say that here we are less than 4 years, and we are well surpassed that number of investment. Rancho Cordova and Sacramento is the hub for our R&D at Solidigm.
Sacramento's always been a sleeper town. When Solidigm showed up, it put us on the world map. People are thriving here. They're able to buy homes here. They're able to get their kids into good schools. And then it's drawing that talent that we already had here, but then it's drawing more people in just because Solidigm has a presence here.
The great thing about being here is you have all the benefits of Silicon Valley with none of the headaches. You can get a house, you can have a 20-minute commute time, and then whatever you need in Silicon Valley, you can still reach it within an hour-and-a-half drive.
What is unique about Sacramento and why we set up our campus here, the number one is the talent here in the region. And we wanted to capitalize on that, but also seeing the growth in Sacramento and having Solidigm engage in the community and being a driving force for the technology in the region.
What really became apparent to us were a couple of things. We needed some critical infrastructure. That infrastructure is high-speed communications, and it is a very robust power grid. And the local region here in Rancho Cordova specifically has that kind of center of gravity, as well as the business-friendly climate right here in Rancho, where they have a very business-forward attitude about kind of growing tech talent and growing the industry's economy.
We have global presence now. We haven't had that global presence as a city until Solidigm chose their headquarters to be here. And really, when they're doing global level work and we get to be the namesake that they pin their hat to, that's amazing, and you can't quantify that amount.
Solidigm has had the kind of effect on our community that maybe historically a Google would have had. 20 years ago, if Google went to a town, Google verified that that town was valuable. And other technology companies went to that town. So if you're looking at Solidigm, you're sort of the face of this movement. Now what's happening is other assets are moving into the community because this company's validated our reputation.
We're working on the products that will hit the market in years to come. As part of lab innovation, we're systematically integrating AI into our R&D workflow, which reduces development time. So the equipment we see there is all related to memory development, and we have teams of engineers that focus on using that equipment to push the technology forward.
We've invested $5 million into R&D labs here, and that investment enables Solidigm to spread this global transformation. That number just shows you how much the company sees where we can go.
We have the most robust data storage product line for AI among the entire industry. And at this campus, we've developed the world's first liquid-cooled solid-state drive, which enables incredible energy efficiency improvements, as well as higher levels of performance than ever thought possible. We've also developed the world's highest capacity solid-state drive. Right here in Rancho is really the seed of our R&D.
Liquid cooling started off as a lab project or an engineering project inside of Solidigm here in Rancho Cordova, but now literally has a global footprint. And our PS1010 SSD is now part of NVIDIA's GB200, GB300, and soon every AI deployment anywhere in the world, there might be a Solidigm SSDs in it. And that all originated from our local engineering here, right here in Rancho Cordova.
The Greater Sacramento Economic Council was recently named the #1 economic development organization in the world. I'm pretty sure we wouldn't have gotten that recognition without Solidigm's achievements. So I want to thank Solidigm for throwing some light on our organization, allowing us to shine amongst our peers.
We're creating massive amounts of opportunities for local people to have state-of-the-art technology jobs, as well as, I think, very exciting to have within Sacramento, a company that's making a global impact.